Hello, my name is Evie and we are making pancakes.
Jam and cream, scones, jam and cream, scones, jam and cream.
What's this? What's this?
Deal.
What is it?
Deal.
Cereal!
My favorite food is pancakes with strawberry whipped cream, emojis, sprinkles, and strawberry milk pancakes.
How do you make a brownie?
You get all the ingredients, put it in a bowl, mix them up, put them in a tray, put them in the oven, cook them, you're done. You got brownies, I'm a cow. As the I'm a cow.
I'm making chocolate chip cookies. First I'm going to add the brown sugar and more sugar. Then I'm going to add the egg. Then I'm going to add the butter.
I put things in the blender and then I make the noise and then it comes into a smoothie.
What does the noise sound like?
Fun fact, eggs come from chickens. Luckily I have my own chickens.
It's got mango, date and banana and other healthy things in it.
Yum.
And here are the finished cookies.
Yum.
And when I'm grown up, I want to be a chef. Get some cream.
Then have a closer look.
Ta-da! These are the pancakes that we made. And now we're going to have them for breakfast with syrup and butter. These are delicious.
These are delicious.